Hello, happy Saturday. I just got to Montrose Point in Chicago. It is way different today than last time I came here. I'll clip it in. It does look icy as shit down there, so I am gonna put on my crampons because I got a bad back, and if I fall, I'm down. It was like negative 20 degrees, so it's gonna be a nice bright 70-degree out day today, and all the birders are out. It is absolutely packed, but I did want to come out here and hopefully see the piping plovers and see what else I can find. And then I am going to try putting my GoPro on top of my cold shoe and see how that works out for filming extra content. I did get this little adapter thing. I will link it in the comments, so we'll see how this works out today. But I'm gonna get all my gear set up, get my lens out, my camera out, get my GoPro mounted. I already see people looking around, so hopefully there's something cool over there, but I'm excited to see what we capture today. What the fuck is that guy doing? For real. Get away from the babies, weirdo. So in that tree right there, what everyone was looking at was an oriole, and all I got was these two really trashy shots. I did then see a male cardinal just singing his heart away over in that tree. Enjoy his little screaming for a second. So cute. So I've already gotten a lot of small birds, but I'm gonna head over there and see if the piping plovers are around. I did in fact see the piping plover, but they weren't anywhere near, so I didn't get any good shots of that. I did see this little guy at the beach though. And of course I did see yet more goslings, but they were being super extra cute that day. After I was done by the water, I sat and watched this cute little squirrel just gallivanting around the wildflowers. And then here are some of the birds that I captured for the day. If they're wrong, don't scream at me, please, because I used iNaturalist and this is what they said. So, yeah. And then I got to witness this cute little squirrel whose flappers have obviously been gasted. It was so funny to watch. But anyways, all in all, it wasn't my best birding day, definitely not my worst. I do love coming to Montrose, so I'll definitely be back. If you like my content, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.